In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix all Windows Media Player issues or errors in Windows 11 PCs or laptops. If you've been facing troubles with your Windows Media Player, rest assured that we're here to guide you through a simple and quick solution. By following these steps, you will be able to uninstall and reinstall Windows Media Player, ensuring it functions correctly. Let's dive right into it. First and foremost, you'll want to right-click the Start button on your taskbar. This will bring up a context menu. And from there, you'll select Settings. Settings is your control center for customizing and troubleshooting your Windows system. And it's our starting point for addressing issues with Windows Media Player. Once inside the Settings menu, your next task is to navigate to the System section. Within System, look for the option labeled Optional Features. Optional features are additional tools and applications that Windows allows you to manage, including our focus today, Windows Media Player. Next, find Windows Media Player in the list of optional features. You might need to scroll through to locate it. Once you've found Windows Media Player, look for a drop-down menu next to it. Click on this drop-down and select Remove. This step is crucial as it uninstalls Windows Media Player from your system, paving the way for a clean reinstallation. Don't worry, we'll be adding it back shortly. After you've successfully removed Windows Media Player, stay in the Optional Features section. Now, click on Add an Optional Feature. This option lets you reinstall the features you may have removed previously or install new ones. Now, you'll want to view and search for Windows Media Player in the list of available features. Simply type Windows Media Player in the search bar and select it from the results. Once selected, click Next and then Add. This instructs your system to reinstall Windows Media Player, equipped with the latest updates and configurations. The final step after reinstallation is to restart your computer. Restarting ensures that all changes take effect and that the media player is successfully integrated with your system settings. It might seem simple, but restarting is an essential troubleshooting step that refreshes system processes. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively addressed any issues with Windows Media Player on a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It should now function smoothly and error-free. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other practical solutions and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.